This idea that what you do in your lifetime informs the generations that comes after you is something I keep thinking about.
I'm a high school math teacher, and every year my seniors ask me two questions. How do I do my taxes, and how does money work? And that's exactly why I created this book, which will fast track anyone's journey in financial literacy and freedom. It's written for young adults, but the knowledge will help anyone who is tired of inflation robbing them from living a life they deserve. Each set of pages explains the topic of the day on the left and a personal experience with resources to learn more on the right. And here's what you'll learn each day. As a parent or grandparent, wouldn't it feel good knowing that your child knows how to budget no matter what paycheck they're given? And shouldn't they know what credit is before they're given their first credit card? And doesn't it make sense that they know how to manage their own investments before they get their career started? Decades from now, Social Security might not be around for your kids, robots may take their job, and AI might make their degree obsolete. But you can't take away knowledge. Most self-published books cost about $10, but because there's so much knowledge packed into this, I had to set it at $20. 30% of the profits are going to these charities listed right here. So give someone you care about the gift of financial freedom and give a stranger the gift of hope. Click the link, grab a copy, because I know you don't want their first financial lesson to be student loans.
Peace.